In a square sheet, draw two triangles of equal area such that the triangles are congruent. What can you say about their perimeter? So we have to draw two triangles in which the areas are equal and they are congruent. So we have taken here two triangles ABC and XYZ. Now we're going to take the parameters. So let us take that AB is 5 centimeter and BC is 4 centimeter and hypotenuse is 8 centimeter. Now in second triangle, we'll take height as a 4 centimeter and the base as a 5 centimeter, and we're going to take hypotenuse as a 8 centimeter. Now we're going to find out the area of triangle ABC and XYZ. So we know that area formula is half into base into height. So in triangle ABC, if we'll take area of triangle is, that is area formula is half into base into height. So the base is 4 centimeter, so half into 4 centimeter, and height is 5 here. We can cancel 2 and 4, so we'll get here 10 centimeter square. Similarly, if I'll take triangle XYZ, then area will be equal to, again substitute the formula, use the formula half into base into height. So half into base into height. In place of base, we'll write 5 centimeter. In place of height, we'll write 4 centimeter. Again, we can cancel 2 and 4. We'll get 2. So from here, when you multiply 5 and 10, we'll get 10 centimeter square. So this is equal to 10 centimeter square. So you can see that the area of triangle ABC and their area of triangle XYZ, they both are same. It's 10 centimeter square, and they have, if you calculate the perimeter of this triangle, that is 5 plus 8 plus 4, will get answer equal to 17 centimeter in both the case. So we can say that perimeters are equal. Therefore, perimeter of triangle ABC and triangle XYZ are equal. So this is the solution of this. Triangles are not congruent. What can you say about their perimeter? So we should draw two triangles whose areas are equal. Let us do that. So here first we'll take a one triangle. So let's label it as ABC. This is A, B, C, and angle B is a right angle. And let us take AB as 6 centimeter. We're just assuming that AB and BC are 6 centimeter, and we can take AC as a 10 centimeter. Now we'll take one more triangle. And let us take it as XYZ. This is X, Y, and Z. And let us take the length as a 9 centimeter, that is XY is a 9 centimeter, and YZ as a 4 centimeter, and we'll take XZ as a 13 centimeter. Then here you can see that the areas will be equal. Even angle Y is a 90 degree. Area, if you take half into base into height, you can see the area will be equal for both triangle ABC. We'll just calculate that. So for triangle ABC, area will be equal to half into base into height. This is a formula to find out the area of triangle. So half into, let us take a base 6 and height is 6. So when you cancel this, we'll get 18 centimeter square. Similarly, we're going to find out the area of triangle XYZ. So for triangle XYZ, area will be equal to half into base into height. Same formula. So base is 4 centimeter and height is 9 centimeter. We can cancel them. We'll get again 18 centimeter square. So areas are equal. We have got the triangles with the same area. And the next question they're asking is, triangles are not congruent. You can see that sides of the triangles are not equal here. So they are not congruent. Then what can you say about their perimeter? So perimeter is also not same. When you add up all the sides here, so we'll get different answer, right? So the perimeter also not equal. So we can conclude from here. So perimeter of triangles are not equal. Are not equal. So that's it. This is a solution for this problem. I hope you have understood this. If you have any questions or doubts, you can leave a comment below and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.